Sound of grace to me
And grace is
Grace to me is
Grace sounds like
when I'm on the beach, the waves, that sounds graceful to me.
it sounds like
a gift.
the free gift of salvation that we have in Jesus.
that knock on your door, on your heart.
Grace always leaves you with the question, why? Because I didn't do anything. And I think that's what grace is all about. It's getting something that you don't deserve, and you know you don't deserve it too, but
Your purpose here on earth, it is singing hallelujah, you know? Baby Jesus in a manger. You know, miracles and blessings. It's all those things. It's amazing grace.